Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, we're going to make a diaper cake. Yeah, because my friend invited me for her daughter first birthday, so I was thinking what would I give to her, because I know she has so many toys, so many clothes, and so many things, and many more. And I was thinking maybe I'll just make a diaper cake. I have never made this before, and this is my first time. So I'm a little bit excited to make a diaper cake, and I'm super excited also to share it with you guys. And I hope you enjoy watching it. Ita-timelapse ko na lang siya para mas mabilis. Pero ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung step by step na ginawa ko para magawa ko tong cake na to. Okay, so let's start na guys. And for the bottom, I use styrofoam. You can see styrofoam. Yan. Styrofoam. And then, binalutan ko siya ng pink na ribbon, palibot, para matabunan yung styro. And then, yung diaper, first layer ng diaper. This one. Then, binalutan ko lang siya ng pink na ribbon. And then, I put like sky blue ribbon on the top. Yeah. And then, on the second layer, it's just the same. Mas maliit lang siya kaysa dun sa bottom, yung pinakang base. Yung first layer niya, mas maliit lang siya doon. And then, ganun din ang ginawa ko. Binulutan ko din siya ng pink na ribbon, and then blue. And then sa third layer is ganun din ang ginawa ko. And then to make it more stable, I use this paper tube. This paper tube na dinikit ko lang dun sa styro using stick glue. Para kahit gumalaw-galaw siya, stable pa rin siya. So, ayan. This is the cake. Yan. This is the cake. It's not yet done, and I still need to put some stuffed toys, because I also buy some small stuffed toys to put on the cake para meron siyang mga design, so it's not so boring tingnan. So I have some of these. I have elephants. I have like giraffe and something. So ito na yung video na naka-time lapse. And guys, I'm a little bit skeptical. I'm a little bit discombobulated. Oh, discombobulated. I'm a little bit in doubt kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung ilalagay ko na cake topper. Hindi ko alam kung alin yung mas maganda, yung giraffe lang or yung giraffe na may flower, or yung teddy bear lang. Kaya hindi ko alam. So, isipin ko muna guys, okay? Yeah guys, I don't know which one would I pick as a cake topper. This one or it's just like this one, or with this teddy bear. Maybe I will choose this one. So guys, this is the finished product. Yan. This one. And is Diaper Cake. Yeah. So, ayun na nga mga Marites yung ating finished product. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito. And I can also make this cake if you want to order. It's not so expensive. And it's very easy to do. And so, you can PM or DM me if you want. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. Okay? Thank you! Bye and see you on the next video!